What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you or will be discussing you how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal cancelled for your protection. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix this issue if you've suddenly encountered it. Well, there are a few things that you need to understand and you need to do here. Now, usually if you do encounter this issue here or this error here or warning, it usually means that Cash App may have detected some suspicious activities happening right now in your account or some possibility of some security risks. So in this case, it's a way for them to protect your account or protect yourself here so that your account will not be emptied out. But yeah, what are the things that you could try doing here to solve this? So first is you may want to verify your identity. So you want to open up the Cash App here, go to your profile and just tap on personal and make sure your full name, address, and your SSN are correctly filled in. Now this actually helps Cash App confirms that it's really you making the transaction. And also you may want to check your transaction history. Now you want to look for any transactions that you didn't do yourself, so or unusual or sudden transfers here may have triggered the actual alert. So if you made many transactions in a short time here, try waiting for a bit before attempting another withdrawal, like let's just say like a few hours, like 5 hours, and see, or a whole day if you can, and see if that actually works. And also try withdrawing a smaller amount in case here. So large Bitcoin transactions are more likely to be blocked because again, it's a way for Cash App to protect your account here. So try using smaller or transferring smaller withdrawals and see if that actually goes through. And you can just make another transfer again with another smaller amount here and see if that actually works moving forward. And also, it's a great idea to update the actual app. Now, some features may have been released or some updated features or security settings here may need to be updated. So make sure the Cash App is actually properly updated here. So make sure it's running the latest version, and all the versions can have bugs or glitches here, especially if it's connecting to the system, which in this case may be expecting that specific new feature or security feature here added on your app. So yeah, also avoid using VPNs or unknown devices that you didn't authorize yourself. So VPNs actually changes your location, and to be speaking, that could cause or that could actually make Cash App think that maybe someone is accessing your account in a different state or a different location. So again, try not using a VPN. And finally, if none of this actually work, you may want to contact Cash App support. So you want to go to your profile, then you want to go to support, then tap on Bitcoin, and just basically explain the issue here as if in this case further verification are needed from you or any other information may be needed for you in order for you to proceed with actual transfer. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.